This entire cinematic video was created by AI automatically in just one click, completely for free. Have a look.
Maybe we can explore together.
This forest is beautiful.
Yes, and adventures are always better with friends.
Oh no, I can't cross the water.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Thank you for helping me.
That's what friends are for.
No editing, no animation, and no experience needed. But the crazy part is, most people using Grok AI have no idea this automation trick exists. Because when people normally try to create videos with Grok AI, 3 annoying things happen. The character changes in every scene, you suddenly get an upgrade error, and even when the video finally works, there's a bug watermark on it. So in this video, I'll show you the automation setup I use that fixes all of these problems and generates a complete cinematic video automatically. So watch till the end, because I'll also show you a trick to fix the upgrade problem permanently. And now let's start the one-click video creation process. First, open your browser and search for Grok Automation. The first website will be the Chrome Web Store. Open it. Now simply click Add to Chrome and install the extension. When you open the extension, you will see Not on a Grok page. Click Navigate to Grok, and it will take you to the official Grok AI website. First, you need to sign up. And if you face the upgrade problem in Grok, do not skip this step. On the left side, you will see Grok, and on the right side, you will see the extension panel. Watch carefully and don't skip any step, because this is where the real magic starts. In the control panel, you will see options like text to video, frame to video, text to image, image to image. Today I will show you text to video, so simply select it. Now set the prompt delay to 20 seconds. This helps the system generate videos faster and more stable. Next, open the settings panel and choose the aspect ratio for your video. Keep output prompt set to 1 and keep the video frame at 6 seconds, because 6 seconds works best the AI generated videos. In auto download, select 720 so that you get high resolution output. After that, click save so all the settings are stored. Quick thing before we continue. If you like learning about AI tools, automation tricks, and ways to create content faster, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I share AI secrets like this every week that most creators still don't know about. Now it's time to generate the video. But before that, you need a good prompt so we get the best results with consistent characters. Open ChatGPT and type this prompt. Write 20 prompts for a story about a black monkey and a white rabbit. You can also replace the monkey and rabbit with any characters you want. ChatGPT will generate 20 story prompts with different scenes that will keep the audience engaged. Now paste this master prompt. This prompt tells ChatGPT to convert the story into 20 small videos of 6 seconds each, give a separate prompt for every scene, keep the monkey always black and the rabbit always white, and provide all prompts in a single copy-paste text box. As soon as you run this command, ChatGPT will generate all scene prompts in one box. Simply copy them and paste them into the Grok Automation dashboard prompt box. Now the system will automatically queue all 20 videos. Every scene will be lined up automatically. Now the final step. Simply press the green run button. That's it. Your work is done. The system will generate clip from prompt 1, download it automatically, then start downloading clip from prompt 2, then prompt 3, and continue like this until all clips are ready. After a few minutes, you will find 20 video clips in your downloads folder. You can then compile them in CapCut or any other video editing software. And as you can see, the quality is really amazing. But if you look carefully,
This is for you.
you will notice
thank
that
you.
every clip has a watermark. If you want to remove the watermark from Grok generated videos, comment Grok watermark, and in the next video, I will show you exactly how to remove it easily.